Hey guys, we're going through fact and fiction over woofers. Fact number 1. This is a box. Just joking though. We're actually going to go over the myth of polyfill. Now polyfill, a lot of installers, informed hobbyists, everybody will say, they're installers and hobbyists that say you need to put polyfill in every single box. Now most people don't even know the reason why people put polyfill in a subwoofer enclosure. It's to fool the woofer into thinking it has a little more volume than it does. Not to dampen the box or make it sound deeper or tighter or all the different theories that people have. It's just for enclosures like this that are very small airspace that have a driver that require more theo airspace than what's specified in this enclosure. Put polyfill in the box, and it'll fool the woofer into thinking that it has a larger enclosure. That's without going down to theory and conjecture. That's what it's used for. It's not used to make the driver sound better. It's not used to make the woofer sound dampened or deeper or cleaner. That's the use of polyfill for everybody out there, installers, technicians, hobbyists included. Next, fact and fiction. DVCs are not necessarily louder than single voice coil woofers. That's also another common misconception. Single voice coil woofers and dual voice coil woofers are used to get versatile ohm load impedance. Dual voice coils and single voice coil drivers are out there that handle the same loads of power. They're just different. Dual voice coil woofers give you a choice between going up and down. Standard 4 ohm woofer, you have to bridge with more single 4 ohm or single 8 ohm or single 6 ohm or single 2 ohm woofers to desire the lowered or upped effect. And that's fact or fiction for you today, folks.